Hello and welcome to Wheel Joint. Today I'm going to show you how to activate the heated side mirrors on a Kia Sportage. It's a simple process, and you'll be able to clear any frost or fog from your side mirrors quickly. So, let's get started. First, hop inside your Kia Sportage and start the engine. Next, locate the rear defroster button on your center console. It's marked with a symbol that looks like 3 wavy lines and also has rear printed on it. Now simply press the rear defroster button. This action will not only defrost your rear window but also activate the heated side mirrors. You'll know they're on when you see a little indicator light on the button. This will help improve visibility in cold or foggy weather conditions. Remember, it's a good practice to turn off the heated side mirrors and rear defroster when you no longer need them to avoid unnecessary power consumption. To turn them off, simply press the rear defroster button again. If the side mirrors don't defrost when you activate the rear defroster, it's possible that your Sportage may not be equipped with this feature. In that case, you won't be able to turn on heated side mirrors because they are not available in your specific model or trim level. It's always a good idea to consult your vehicle's manual or contact your dealership to confirm the features and options available on your particular Sportage. And that's it. Activating the heated side mirrors in your Kia Sportage is as easy as that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Wheel Joint for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safe with clear mirrors in any weather. See you in the next video.